Hey, so you have your new Model Y Juniper or Model 3, doesn't really matter, but you've started getting a message on your screen that says service camera soon, because you're getting fogginess on the front part of your windows that's obstructing your camera view. This is a normal part of the new vehicle ownership process, just so that you know. And what's causing this is the off-gassing from the interior of the vehicle and other things that just naturally fogs it up. Over time, this will go away, but in the meantime, you have to get this clean. This could be quite annoying, and quite frankly, it can make FSD disconnect if it gets bad enough or it causes it to operate improperly. Usually what you have to do is take your vehicle into a Tesla service center and have them clean it for you. It takes only about 15-20 minutes if they can get you right in and they clean it up for you. However, if you're not near a service center, or if you just don't have the time or wherewithal to do it, then, well, that's why we're here to help you out. It's actually not that hard to do. You just take your camera housing down, clean the windshield, get behind there, and get it all cleaned up. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment below whether or not this actually helps you out, and if there's anything else that we can help you out with. And I'm going to show you how to clean up this camera. Welcome back. So what's causing the fogginess on the windshield is the off-gassing from the interior in the vehicle, especially when the vehicle is brand new. You get all of this off-gassing, it tends to fog up the windows. There's really nothing you can do about it in terms of preventing it, but what you can do is clean it up. And so we're getting ready to show you how to clean all of this up. Well, the first thing that you do, you're going to remove the exterior trim from the camera housing. And that's a little piece on the bottom. Basically, you squeeze it a little and you pull it down just a little bit. Once you get that off, you can then twist the mirror, and you just rotate it. If you're looking at it from the bottom, you're going to twist it counterclockwise. The whole mirror twists. It's going to take a little bit of doing. It's a little stiff, but I promise it'll get there. And I'm not grabbing the mirror itself. I'm actually grabbing this piece right here. There we go. After you're able to twist it, the mirror is going to come straight down. And then that's going to allow you to pull the rest of the housing down. The housing is held up there by clips, in which case you're going to use a trim tool or pull down from the inside very carefully. Don't press up against the window too much. You don't want to shatter the window. You're going to pull down off of there and slide it out. And that's going to release that entire plastic housing, and it's just going to come straight down as well. Like I said, it's only held in there by clips. So what I have here is a T9 Torx wrench, and it's going to be used to take the 4 screws out from the camera. So once you get the plastic housing off, you can then start taking down the actual cameras themselves. There are about 4 screws in there. You just unscrew those with a Torx wrench, and they actually start to come down, pull the whole thing down, and that's going to give you access to the windshield. Once you get to the windshield, you can use a good window cleaner, a nice microfiber cloth or other cloth that won't scratch the cameras. And then you can both clean up the actual windshield itself. You can clean up the cameras themselves with a microfiber cloth, and the black part that's in there, it's made of felt and it collects a lot of lint. So try to use a lint-free towel on that and clean it off if you can. I actually spray cleaner on the rag first before I clean the cameras. I don't spray the stuff directly on there. All right, that's all there is to it. She's all cleaned up. So now we just do everything we just did and do it all in reverse. Okay, once you're done cleaning, you're going to go ahead and get the cameras themselves back up onto the windshield by replacing the screws, screwing it back in. Now we're cooking. All right, that's clipped back in. So now what we have to do is just take out screws and screw them back in. Actually, it was really easy. Truth be told, I was just being uber careful. That's all. Then you're going to take the plastic housing that was there before, slide it back in, put the back end under the headliner first, slide it in, then line up the clips, and then you gently push all of the clips in, and then it's going to snap in. There we go. Here we go. Line up the clips, and then click, snap right back into place just like that. Once those are in, you're going to take the mirror, line the grooves up from where you took it down, and now you just do the opposite of what you did before. Just twist it clockwise and it's all gonna snap right back into place. There we go. So you saw it snap into place. After you get it back into place, you just replace the trim piece that you took off, push it back in, boom, that's it. That's all there is to it. Just replace the trim. To replace the trim, it's got these grooves in here. You just slide those back up on there, just like that. Just make sure everything lines back up. That's all you gotta do. Once everything lines up, you can snap it all back into place. And that's it. We're all done. So now the camera is clean. So that's how you clean the camera. It's actually really easy. It should only take you about 10-15 minutes once you get used to it. Keep in mind, there's a difference between the Model 3 Highland and the Model Y Juniper. The fascia piece on the outside is a little different. You have to get these grooves in there in order to put it back on, on the 3, where you just slide it on and then you got to clip it in, whereas the Model Y pretty much just slides on clips without the grooves. The second difference is that on the Model 3 Highland, you actually have 4 screws you have to undo, whereas on the Model Y Juniper, you only have 2 screws and 2 clips, which I think they've made some improvements on it, made it a little bit easier to take the whole thing off. It's a great thing to do to keep your windshield clean and so that FSD continually works properly. Let me know in the comments below of what you think about the cleaning process and also of the mirror that I have up here, and whether or not you want to get it. You can go check out my other video to see how we got this mirror in here. It's actually a great install. I highly recommend it. Comment below. Let me know what you think of the cleaning process and if there's anything else that we should be doing differently. Like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you again soon. Peace.